Papá pone esto, ¿ok? Papá, wait. Papá pone eso. Wey, hombre.
Wait, I got it.
The two chefs.
Okay, toma, pon el resto. Toma, deja ahí. Pon.
Just leave the fire.
Wait.
Esto, hombre.
Fire
We need this
alone.
one.
And let the
Wait,
food
let me hold it.
get cooked to get young.
Wait, let me try. Let me try with the small one. Yeah.
Hold.
Hold that. Hold that. Thank you. Time to burn.
De lejos le bota ahí.
I'm just zooming in a little bit.
Yeah.
Since I'm a little bit far. Start cooking, chef.
No, eso no es para eso, Tomás. Pon eso, ¿ok?
Wait. Alright.
¿Dónde está la grande? Eso no es. Dame la grande. Where's the big
No,
one?
I'm doing the garden.
Yes, sure. Where's the big one?
Big one? I do not know. I'm just filming the video. Things look like...
I'm finally here. Shit.
Don't turn it yet, come on.
Don't turn it yet. Tomás.
I'm not turning it. I'm putting it in the.
Oye, listen.
I'm
Just
putting
leave it.
Here.
No, just leave it. Cook is just cook. Leave the cook.
Ya, papá.
Let me try.
Déjame, se quema.
Flip it. Can Pie do it?
No,
Oh,
let me do
wait.
it.
But take the small one.
There we go. There we go.
Hey, I don't get
Ah, trae más. Go get más comida.
One more comida. There we go. Should do that.
Good job. For more.
Just leave
¿Qué
after
más?
this food.
Ugh.
¿Qué trajiste?
We have to open this.
No, no, que no está ni con sal nada de eso. ¿Qué es eso? No es. No está con sal. No está con sal. ¿Dónde trajiste?
Come on, leave it.
I'm putting only one.
It's just one.
Ya ves bien, por favor. ¿Dónde trajiste?
Pie say más comida.
Más comida, dijo
Sí,
el papá.
masculina.
Comida.
Más, dijo comida, dijo arroz con menestra, dijo.
Well, that's
No
enough.
dijo carne.
Pie. I think the other ones are finished.
Ahí ha traído una costilla, creo que está así.
Más que sea-
Tomás, todavía no pongas eso.
Flip it over. Guys, it's not cooked. But I think the comida is ready. All the other comida, except for the ones that...
Oh, some of the sides.
Dame esto. No, yeah. No se pone así nomás los locos. Toma. For you.
Okay, never mind.
I have to do some.
Pie, I thought you flipped over already.
Tomás.
Don't drop it. Don't block my screen. Let me just do here.
I flipped it.
Okay.
I'm doing it then. This is a donkey. Surely. Some more. We need some more.
Come on, don't flip it.
Anybody want this?
Pon aquí.
For you?
Time to.
Ready yet? Wait, Tomás, hombre. No te coño loco, no es loco, Tomás. No, be careful.
Don't block the screen. Ow.
Tomás, don't flip it that one yet. Ven acá, Tomás, let me see.
Yeah, my right hand.
¿Ah? Sí, no.
Yeah, my left hand can't.
Big one.
Be like a chef.
Ponme
A
esa allá,
chef
Tomás. ¿Para qué
cook.
con esa cuchara?
A chef cooks.
We need some salad.
I don't.
No pongas.
Mira qué
That is
rica
not
es.
salad. I can end the video.
End the video, yeah.